Hey everyone, and welcome to this week's Morgan's Report. I would say Morgan's Report, but obviously with not releasing an episode, I would just say this is what we originally said for Tuesdays were going to be.
But
and
he is here.
Yes. Oh, we didn't ask him if he wanted to come up, to be fair. But it's more a roundup from a weekend. So here we are Tuesday. Obviously, we didn't get it filmed Monday after Model Rail Crewe. And what a weekend, guys. I don't think I can say many words for it because there's just too many. But the one big thing I do want to say on that is I want to massively apologise. There was obviously a lot of people coming up to us, and me especially with how busy I was. I kept saying to people, try and catch you, or at the YouTubers meet. That's when we'd catch you. Usually we get that, but with a few things going on, I didn't. So I really want to apologise for those that I couldn't give the time to this year, ones that we missed leaving. It was unintentional. But on that, I do want to say a massive, big thank you, and someone who totally deserves it is Mark Donegal Dad. I won't go into why because it's not my business, but Mark went above and beyond, not only helping out as a volunteer when he was actually going to end up coming in, but he just went above and beyond. Andy March West as well. He also did good with that, but Simon's trained, obviously did a lot more than expected as well. Not denying any other volunteers, but those were three that all did individual things that I think need an extra mention. But yes, obviously coming back from Model Rail Crewe, we've got a few things. So I want to show you guys now those who, well, firstly, actually, I will say is our old girl. Rob managed to lose a screw. So thanks to Brian.
Rob's always had a screw loose.
Well, true. Thanks to Brian, just doing a little fix. He had a whole little box of all different bits. We've managed to get a screw back in her. Did you say it might need cutting down a touch?
Yeah, I spoke to Brian and the screw's just a tad too long, so I'll just need to get the Dremel just to bring it down a little bit. Or either that, I can possibly use a washer from one of Dad's kits.
Yeah. So hopefully, guys, old girl should be coming back running with that. On the next thing as well, so something happened. We went to our local model shop and actually found well, I say local, it's not local, is it?
60 miles away.
But a few months ago now, we actually saw a wagon and we just offered them if they wanted to get it, and it was for Simon, and it was a pull one. So we offered, like, it's here, do you want it? Didn't answer, but we got it anyway. And it ended up turning into a swap. So, guys, we have another Emlyn wagon because you can never have too many. So we just did a little swap there with Simon over that. Now, those as well that have seen Jason's live, he was getting rid of a few things. So we now have, and from Brian as well with this one, plenty of teak coaches. I'm not even going to bother lifting them. However, please let me know, do you think Rob should be banned for now while I can accrue some more?
Well, I did work out that I need another 21.
Can we get some more for me first?
Yes.
I, however, am starting with collection. I don't think these are rhubarb and custards. They're a different one, but it's nice to have some in. And they've got purpley tinge to the red, so I'm happy with that. And also another one when Rob's getting the HSTs running to go with that. Now, on that with Jason, he also gave me something. He said I could wait till next year. I'm assuming he talked with Rob because Rob got me a Christmas wagon. Did he not know about it?
I knew nothing about this.
Oh, okay. I thought you talked to him and that's where it stemmed from.
I knew nothing about this.
So I was told I could wait till next Christmas, but I said no. So I actually had from Jason from last Christmas a purple wagon, a purple Christmas wagon, guys. So Jason obviously ended up giving that to me because purple. So there is that one. Thank you to Jason for that little extra as well. Rob also walked away. They have a thing with the Baileys, guys. Him and Rob. So Rob's also come away with some Bailey's caramel sauce. That is that as well. Now, in terms of Jason, I suppose, because he's creative, we have come away with some MRYUC merch as well. That is the Model Railway Community Online. So we've got a few merch of that. Now, talking of late gifts as well, there was somebody else who wanted to send a gift. So, Geoff, it was fantastic to see you, darling, especially because you couldn't have joined last year. But it was fantastic to see you. Have a hug. So, I have a few signs. Geoff had no idea that Rob had ordered me the one he did either.
Which is...
My station mistress there.
Where is it? Where is it?
There, in between the two trains. And so Geoff obviously had no idea, but I like this one because it's more personal. It's got brown hair and everything.
Oh, so you like Geoff's gift more than mine?
Don't put me in that position.
I am putting you in that position. Guys, Sunday, the cuddles I had off Grace, I can count on one hand. Anything with a pulse was getting a cuddle off Grace. But we all know she's known for it anyway, so.
And I've got these spark plugged ones as well, but with two it might be that I can have one upstairs and one downstairs.
No, I think I have them all out here.
Oh, okay. So got that from Geoff as well. And in terms, because Geoff made these, we do have another Lauderdale's Lavvy or two. We might have a few extras, so if we go to a show or people come here and haven't got one, we can also help in getting them out.
Spread out the labbies.
Yeah, so there is that. Where am I going? Talking of little figures as well, we're trying to link these in together, you know. Paul and Paris are Smallwood Junction, so they got scanned and Paul himself has painted this. So we will have Paul and Paris on our layout, which I think absolutely gorgeous. The detail he's done in that is amazing. And linking in with Model U figures, we also, where's it just gone? We have a Donegal dad. So he does need painting up. You will be in his red shirt. Of which
leading on from that,
we also, well, I say we, I say me, I also have a Donegal dad.
She can use that as a night shirt, guys.
Yeah, as a shirt now as well. So there is that one, as well as this absolutely gorgeous pin badge. He sent us some last time.
Mine.
But this is a signal pin badge and it's absolutely gorgeous. It really is. So that is from Mark, so thank you for that one. I'm trying to make sure I don't forget and do it in order. We did also get another mystery box of Geoff's to put in that.
Harris.
Yeah, I was actually thinking that name. So yes, those will know Harris Tweed has been from us right from the beginning, pretty much. He was also the first person to send over, it was always my birthday box, and you'll see certain Welsh items.
We always get Welsh off Harris.
That has come from Harris. So what was fantastic was to finally put a face to the name. So he came up to us and it's the usual, hi guys, and we're thinking, who is it? Who have we forgotten? And Harris revealed himself. Again, Harris, I'm sorry, darling, I couldn't give you as much attention as I usually could. I do feel awful on that. But we got a few bits from Harris. So we got a little ambulance.
Nope. 2 seconds.
Ambulance.
Yeah.
And some peeps.
Some that he painted up and some already painted.
So we've got that from Harris. So he couldn't help with seeing us without gifting us. So thank you so much, Harris, as well. I'm trying to look around me just to see what I've forgotten. There is something else. There is something else. Oh, you see? We've obviously got cards as usual. If we forgot to give you the cards, really sorry. There's something else I'm forgetting. I'm sure there is. Oh, yeah. So, obviously, plans for this week are the same as last week. Rob carrying on with wiring, carrying on.
I did make a start on actually doing the actual track.
But with everything going on, obviously, filming took less priority. In line with that, we kind of have something to share with you that we're going to do. So, who remembers when Rob did this? I originally suggested putting both lines to DC and DCC. And Rob said, no, it's too complicated, we're not going to do it. Well, over the weekend, Rob came up with the idea of, should we do both lines DCC and DC? So just a bit of a Mickey there, but with that, in line with that, the plan is now to do both lines as DC and DCC. So we did need to order new switches because unfortunately the one that was used before, you said you didn't wire as well, did you?
I didn't. The first time round, I've done a much better job on that switch there. The first one, I'll openly admit.
And then what we're going to do with it, guys, is I figured instead of the labelling as such, is this is going to go at the top, because this is already for the inner line, which is handy. So this one is going to go at the top. So if we're always wondering which line it is, well, that's the inner, that's the outer. That's the plan anyway.
Well, I can always put a letter on the end of the word, so I can go DCCCO or DCCCI.
Yeah, it's a shame with the O in the middle there. And obviously more fish plates. Again, this
Insulators.
is not insulators. This is not something we need right now. But again, guys, we have been advised.
Yeah, it is. I've got to do it now, haven't I? I've got to do it now. Because each line has got its own power. Each line's got its own wires.
Yeah.
I bring it round there. And each one's got to be protected, done now. It's not something we can do at a later point. It has to be done as with...
Oh, the plans before when it was one was just then. So that is that. I don't think we're forgetting anything. We might be, and I apologise if we do. But yeah, once again, I'm so sorry, guys, that I could not give you attention I usually do.
Members. Live.
When?
Oh, yeah. As soon as...
You not told me that.
You did, because you asked me. We are going to delay the members and patrons by a week, so we will do it next week, guys. It's just obviously we've come back shattered, drained. We've got a few things on our plate at the moment to sort out. So we will do it next week, but we both sincerely apologise.
And we haven't spoke to Brian yet about Saturday, so please keep an eye on our feeds. Even if I maybe try and do it as a short to announce it, we will try and get it out there to let you know if we are going live on Saturday or not. Usually once
Even
a
if
month.
it's just for an hour.
Yeah, well, usually we leave it to Brian once a month to have a break, but we've not been live last week. We're going to see what we can manage. With not working, obviously, we can go on later, so it's not an issue. So we should be live there. Hope you're all keeping well. Oh, we had a new member this week as well.
Tony Clapham.
So, Tony, thank you for joining us, darling. Again, YouTube does not alert you unless you are on the live. So, thank you for joining us. Hopefully, you remember his name in the credits.
Yes.
So, yeah, I don't think there's anything else other than it was fantastic year. And the date for next year is already released for 30th of May. So, I know people are already counting it down. Hopefully, it'll be last minute. Thank you to Jason, who did a fantastic day. But also all the volunteers, but everyone, even if you haven't attended, you know, interacting with the socials, it made a difference. I think that is it. We are still shattered. I don't know how I'm still going. But yeah, I'm going to head off and see you guys maybe at the weekend. We should have the episode out anyway. But maybe join you guys for a live as well. If not, catch you next week. Bye for now.